Didn't Kinda Howard a flamey le Raymond Rivray for Kindoy or Kurtushin and Orange done a jiggery or Heatley two on Changi or 1-2 cut in Gracema or Neeslu Fulla. There's no a Wallard speaking to Neesmo Grace on Neesmo Fulla. So Marshin see her more a reach Janta agreement August Nish Tijigola Lorch.
Fado, fi gia cuachtach on, darabaniam Odin. A fi anfrodwyl gyjo as an riecht hever a fi ega, Asgard. Jerry she burha afach, fwy na fahi ufasacha, a fiu agoni ageri, chachtastja hegan charman, de chidj Yeha Asir. Hakri Odin, Gurwai an Rud, Bala Mor, Cosanta, a Hogail, Hart Asgard. Lena Ginyal Amach. Doger she an plan Ulvianach Shah. Thou costus Hogal an Wala. Marshin. Hakri Odin, agus a cho yeha, dinye dina fahi a ail leis an wala a hogail. Agus rin siad na cinyi lach a cho gian sin, nach meo orhu, eek as togail an wala charbi. An ro jeru mai hogail wala Asgard, is kinche nach ro. Is féidir le gach duine na cosúlach di scariacha a ecail idir an scéal mitis seo agus an gheamaracht grána a bhíon ar siúil sa lád haniu an. Níor críocníú bála Asgard riú, agus rinneú scris ar Asgard agus ar an bhála nar críocníú le linn Ragnarok on cogu a chorhu jeru the gach cogu. Myths are indeed meaning-making stories. Kiel Isha a tafuin drumchlar, a glyfail a chimbalachus, symbolachus a hain har an loic agus isja Jirach higan agnya o cho isach. Skahan don ego at hasavitas oliacht. Niga ach ark rini oga salata nuon, Augustini nakwal cohogshin, a glaku fein fikena, na guhain chlistja, le tu achar exmoinchu Gwil Narcissus bocht lin san enu hish is fi. Is few kivnu fosta gur tragoj a vi escale Narcissus, fur bas bahu in a skyl hain. Agus ta galior the fubble on le enu imwil amwacha ivaragi na technoliachta nua aimshara. Me hain sanairu. Me a chulpa, me a maxima culpa. Tagan skeelti mitish on aich chena asadagan ar mringloigi. Bringloigi ar shincher har na kedta devlianti as crucihe lekele ag lucht eigshe agus ag lucht shanachash. Tagan she jirach o hauliacht ar shan agus is tauachti aid ar galior doyana marshin na firiculacht na stara. Now, I really don't want anybody watching on Facebook or here trying this at home. But it is believed now that many of these stories were composed after our myth scribes consumed magic mushrooms. And they arrived back having enhanced the trance with such hallucinogenic yet meaningful stories. Ta dríocht hever ar sinseir le fáil is scéaltaí na ruairíochta, na fianaíochta, na ngabhalacha, agus is scéaltaí na ríthe agus na néithe. Iné héan a chorú an rí dearannach tuaithe inéan Patsy Dan Rogers rí Harry ganneanní dia trócra air. Canglíonn na scéaltaí seo sin leis an talú, leis na helamintí, tine, cré, isce, air, agus antáhairteach go deo, étar, nó an spás sin nach bhfuil fallú. Is siad na helamintí seo a dhéanann gach rud. Agus má dhéanann siad gach rud, is as na helamintí seo atá ar gcuid smaointí deanta. Na scéaltaí atá againn, agus na scéaltaí mitis atá againn. An áránaíocht álainn mar hampla. Is onan na scéaltaí mitis seo agus an sean tiomna de chuid na géal. Is dríthe a scríú síos éad, dríthe a thiontaí ina lua chrístíthe. Agus bhí siad sona ag ghlacu na macan dríochta fásta is cosúil. Agus deanan na scéaltaí mitis seo, an rud céine don airsing atá sa tíorgrach istí, the inscape, agus a dhéanann an ill don chorp. Agus in ngán istúin a harlíonn é seo. Like a cure you didn't notice happening le focail Seamus Heaney a lua. Ach tá severas aintach sna scéaltaí seo, achingly beautiful mar a scríú Jeffrey Gantz. Nuair a doscail Pandora an cruiscín a thug Zeus dí agus ní boxa a bhí annach cruiscín de thart éigean. Agus dúirt sé ar nóia gan an cruiscín seo a oscailt. Scap, galar, bás, bachtanas, fua, pean, agus an cion is massa den omlan, ugla, ama fríd an dóin. Ach, fagu cuacht a bhain sa cruiscín, an dóchas. Agus tá an dóchas sin a gin go fáil. Bhí cútholann sir ón cheas nín. Bhí sé sir ó bhallacht watha. Sir ó faca a tinsear. Bhí dúchas agus dóchas a chuaige ag brath air. Bhí sé sir ó agla. Ní bhíonn a chairde léacra ar fud an dóin buairtha faoi agla. Ní bhíonn agla orthú. Agus má tá teachreacht ar bí ins na scéaltaí mitis seo, is dóilm gur sin é gan agla a bheith orainn. Is féidir linn spirid chútholann a bhuascailt, Mar Arin, Standish James O'Grady, Lady Gregory, agus William Butler Yeats, de afioch na litríachta. Wuscail mar atá agin Padraig MacPirish, agus a chumradíthe, Spirid Cúhollan, Emilini Gade agus a Séjéig. Agus Wuscail Dini Croga, Spirid Cúhollan, Lachéad blian ó hin Emilini Gade, Seascas a Hocht, blian ma bhreatha, Spirid Cúhollan, le mana Liger a bhí acu. One man, one vote, and one woman, one vote. Tá dóchas sa dúchas. Ní gá agla a bheith orín. Líntar dúin an cruiscín agus bíú sé lán. Tá a charge léacra go fáil agin. The brand new ancients a thugan Kate Tempest orthu. Agus seans go bhfuil cuid acu sin in ar masc a nocht. Tá ar duras héan le glacu ag ahan daine agus tugtar turas an líoch ar an turas sin. Caithí gach daine éisteacht leis an rúbhag ciúin a bhíon ag cogarní a gcónaí tíomhthír den chalan. Is sinne mar sin na harsaí nua íseacha, the brand new ancients. I bhuaclaí eile is tú an líoch I de scéal héan. An chóirle a bhí ag an scoláire dóanda metasolaíochta Joseph Campbell na follow your bliss. No mar a bagra le bricarú na teanga nimhní a gcónaí a rá. Is airde lumsa cogarní na scarch the réine eile, or louder to me a whisper than to others a roar. I bhucail eile, follow your bliss. Tá gearga a charge le léacra agus bé go Joe. Emma Vic Wahuna mar hampla, nach maran. Peter McVery. Na daoine sin a hógan na daoine bachta atá inné titim isteach antú héan de bhar uagneas, de bhar iad a bheith tógaí leis an alcohol nó le drugaí bé léacra daoí orthú sin. No léacra eile cosfuil leo siúd atá ag tuairt tarthala ar na báid bhuga atá ag curthar maol le chefií. Éad siúd atá ag obair ar son cothram na féine sa Palestine, sa Syria agus I Yemen. Is trígóidí éad seo atá ar scala an bhíbla. Smaoiníam fosta ar ghaoine atá ag obair a gcinne fracáil a gcondaí Armánach nó a gcondaí Héróin. Éad siúd atá ag saothrú ar son na timpachta nó ar son teangachaí atá ag gantuirt cuid acu gan turastal. Nó éad siúd atá ag saothrú ar son ar nearafharacha agus ar nearafharacha is sinne den omlan na hanmhíthe. Is féidir linne a charge arc ar an dóin seo thar timpeall orín trí thuaille an líoch. They say that you may be lucky enough to live long enough to appreciate for a second time the fairy tales of your childhood. So I'm certainly gaining a better insight into the fairy tale that Miss Comiskey taught our class in P1 in St. Patrick's Primary School in Crossmaglen in 1972, the elves and the shoemaker. So the shoemaker, he gets all his bits and bobs in order, and he heads off to bed. And in the night, the elves arrive and they transform these basic ingredients, these basic materials into the finest shoes. Just like the universe transforms those basic elements we mentioned earlier into wonders that we don't appreciate often enough. There is in this fairy tale prismatic counsel. What you do is get everything in order to the best of your ability, and then let go and let the gods, let the universe figure out how it all should end. You will, of course, remember Pandora's mosquito-like creatures from her unplugged jug. Well, it wasn't any great military campaign or meticulous ambush that killed Oliver Cromwell, the nemesis of our country, but rather a mosquito from County Cork. Have you ever wondered why you like Cork? There should be a large mosquito when you enter Cork. And so maybe we should just pray for what is best and let the universe figure it all out, as happens in Dreamtime, in the fairy tales, and indeed in our myths. And now, to mention some of these elves, these helpers that just, show up. Seamus. I know he could be elsewhere tonight. I know he spent a lot of time on his presentation, and it was deep and meaningful, as it always is, but most of all, it had an authenticity. So, Guracade Maigat a Hamish, Colleen Savage, that music, that singing was inspirational. Thank you very much, Colleen. I'd like to thank Ursula and Trasa and Molly from Newry and Mourne District, Newry and Mourne and Down District Council, and of course our chairman, Paul, Mark Unshaw. Who's Paul? All right, I was thinking that. The same size letter. Well, Guracade Maig of Newry and Mourne and Down District Council, who are sponsoring tonight. I want to thank Gaylin, who have allowed me to do this work that I get great joy from, and Anton O'Cillagna. Anton O'Cillagna in particular for his ongoing support. Grania Nigilleen, who Seamus mentioned earlier. Especially your Biro Jarig Grania. I would like to thank my own family, particularly Betty there, who lost her husband earlier in the year, my father. And I want to pay just a quick mention to Donal Og O'Deneen atá anseo anocht agus. Donal Og is not even a month yet, and he's particularly welcome, so congratulations to Padraig and Claire. I want to mention Dara Vallely because I asked him to do a few supplementary illustrations, and he came back with over 50, and they're of very, very high quality. And Dara deserves a lot more attention. In fact, it took him to go to Scotland to get some of the attention that he deserves. And fair play to Anne, who keeps Dara right, and to Clamry Ardwaha Gakincha, Agus, of course, Kilcha. He's not here. Like, he is here, but he's not in this room. He hasn't been at. He's out there. And Alana, who is doing the Facebook Live. And speaking of fairy tales, I asked Dolores what her favourite fairy tale was, and without missing a breath, she said Beauty and the Beast. So I want to get to the bottom of this. And another thing is, I mentioned where it's a great story in the Chulainn sagas where two women battle it out to be dumped by Chulainn. And women get that, but men don't think it's sort of strange, but women get it. And I was mentioning this to Dolores, and she said that's the kind of competition that I would win. And she said that she didn't care about the methodology as long as she got rid of me. So, a harja Tame ag creek nu suas anish gurmaigat a hiran farati Jabden Sky a risht August. Final thoughts tonight. One to think about on the way home in the car. By answering on Gu Bug Cuan as Chulainn did and as all heroes do in our myths, by attending to that inner imperative, your inner Chulainn or Grania wheel, you save the world. Follow your bliss. Gurmaigav.